This morning, millions right now are bracing for landfall in Hurricane Laura's path. Now, the storm has already killed at least 24 people. It's left devastating damage in Cuba and also the Caribbean. Families along the Gulf right now are fleeing to safety. Nursing homes are emptying out and stores and businesses right now are boarding up. Colleges are busing out students as well.
We urge people to take action sooner than later because, the weather will get worse. The traffic's going to be worse.
Officials are staggering evacuation orders to avoid chaos, but now new worries for the nation's fourth largest city. Any movement in Laura's track could take it right over Houston, putting nearly 7 million people in danger.